You guys must have realized that we haven't been uploading videos for at least a past week, and we are getting a lot of comments कि क्या हो गया, videos क्यों नहीं आ रही, where's the content, where's everything. Well, because of the COVID second situation, जो second wave COVID की चल रही है, things have slowed down for us. There have been concerns in all our families, and today I want to discuss about this. I want to discuss about the fact that what I have realized in the COVID second wave. Let's go. Hi guys, my name is Harsh Goyla. I'm an investor, trainer and mentor in stock markets. And today I want to discuss about the COVID second wave and how it affects us. And I'm going to tell you my learning of stock markets in this wave. Again, in this video, I am not here to criticize the government. I am not here to criticize people. I am not here to say कि अरे वो देखो लोग वो बेकार लोग हैं वो घूम रहे हैं. I'm not here to do any of that. I'm just here to present you facts and what I learned about stock markets in the COVID situation. सबसे पहला, let's talk about the facts, my friend. India has reported 3 lakh cases in a day, which is an all-time high at least till the time I'm recording this video. पता नहीं कल को उसका all-time high और कुछ beat हो जाए. And 3 lakh, what people are saying is the government reported figures. Actual figures are 10 times more. So could be possible that in reality, what we are having is around 10 to 20 to 30 lakh COVID cases in one day. If you look at the crematorium, in the crematorium, my friend, the bodies that have been cremated, your funerals हुई हैं, those are 10-20 times more of the number of the COVID patients. You know, अब इसका एक और फैक्ट आ रहा है because I was doing research on this. कोई ये किसी जर्नलिस्ट ने इंटरव्यू में देख रहा था that government क्या रिकॉर्ड करती है कोविड डेथ को गवर्नमेंट कैसे रिकॉर्ड करेगी if from the hospital that patient is released as a COVID patient who has deceased, तब government will count it as a COVID death. But जो लोगों को हॉस्पिटल मिला ही नहीं उनका क्या, जो लोग एम्बुलेंस में शायद मर गए उनका क्या, जो लोग घर इसके बाद इनको हॉस्पिटल बेड नहीं मिला, दे आर नॉट काउंटेड इन द गवर्नमेंट स्टैटिस्टिक्स. सो अगेन these are the facts. I'm sure you must be hearing enough about them. Let's come to the point. Let me tell you what I have learned. You know, I live in Delhi. For those of you who don't know, मेरे यहाँ घर के बाहर एक पूरी मेन रोड है, right? It's and every 5 minutes, you know, I hear what होस्ट इस वीडियो में आपको सुनाई दे जाएगा. Every 5 minutes, I hear an ambulance going by. Yes, Delhi is in lockdown, but every 5 minutes, I hear an ambulance go by the entire day, be it morning or late at night. It is scary, man. I'll tell you a situation of a person I knew, all from good families. मेरी एज का था, he must be around 26-27. उसके पेरेंट्स उसको एम्बुलेंस में लेके they were in front of 5 hospitals for the entire day. They started and took their child at 9 a.m. until I think 11 or 12 a.m. in the night. They were in the ambulance ढूंढ the hospital से भीख मांगते कोई एंट्री दे दो and money was not a question. जो लेना है लो बस एंट्री दे दो. You know what happened after, because we live in Delhi तो कोई ना कोई किसी को जानता है, कोई ना कोई सोर्स निकल ही आता है. After doing so much of sources and connection and do whatever जो भी उन्होंने किया, उसके बाद उन्हें किसी B grade हॉस्पिटल में एक बेंच मिल गई है. रिसेप्शन साइड में वेटिंग रूम था, वहाँ बेंच में वहाँ लेटा दिया एंड वहाँ पे ऑक्सीजन चढ़ा दिया. दिस इज व्हाट पेरेंट्स हैव टू सी देयर चिल्ड्रन गो थ्रू. दिस इज व्हाट चिल्ड्रन हैव टू सी देयर पेरेंट्स गो थ्रू. इट इज़ हॉरिबल. मतलब दीज आर वेरी वेरी ग्रिम डेज वी लिव इनटू. आई फील ये इतने डार्क डेज है ना. वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस अबाउट दीज डेज टू आवर ग्रैंड चिल्ड्रन. हम अपने शायद पोतों को बताएंगे कि एक टाइम में ऐसा था, वो तुम्हें आइडिया भी नहीं है ज़माना कैसा था. हम उस जगह रह रहे हैं. दिल्ली में हालत इतनी खराब है. पेरेंट्स डोंट हैव ऑक्सीजन सिलेंडर्स. पीपल आर डाइंग बिकॉज नॉट बिकॉज दे आर chronically ill, because they don't even have the medical aid. I'm not here to blame the government. मैं किसी को blame नहीं कर रहा हूँ, but I want you to understand the situation. You know, another one of my family friends, someone passed away. I don't want to give the details. So much so, they went to the crematorium. They did not find space. They again use source. पता नहीं किस किस को कॉल करके किस किस को कॉल लगाया. You know what? Out of all that source, what did they get? They got a permission to cremate the body in the parking lot of the crematorium. This is how ये situation है. Google कर लो. आपको दिख जाएगा सब. अब these are the facts. Now let me talk about economics. Let me talk about economic facts. अब आप देखोगे, I was just doing the entire study that in the COVID situation, big multinational companies have given record high profits. Record high profits. कैसे? They have negotiated salaries. They have done salary cuts. They have renegotiated contracts. They don't have to pay office expenses. They are doing work from home. And if you're working, नीचे comment करके बता देना. You would have been given work emails even on a Sunday. और आपको there's no personal difference between personal and professional because you are expected to work every single day. And even the worst part, why the big businesses have shown record profits, because big businesses, they took the advantage of online and जो छोटे small businesses they could not. So उन सब का business भी इनको चला गया है. If I'll tell you a very simple example, you're not going to a grocery shop, are you? Right? You're ordering from Big Basket, you're ordering from Amazon. आपकी efficiency बढ़ गई, it's not affecting you, but जो small business में था वो खत्म हो चुका है. In India, only the big businesses as of now are in online, or the new and upcoming businesses. But all traditional businesses, they are not. So big economically बात कर रहा हूँ, big MNCs have given record profits. अब बात करते हैं about the middle class people, and middle class statistically, people you are watching my video, statistically you fall into the middle class category. ठीक है? In the middle class group in India, since 1990, it's the first time in our country that the middle class population has contracted. Middle class population कम हो गई है. Why? 3 crore people from the middle class bracket are now in below poverty line. Middle class population has contracted. They are in below poverty line. 3 crore. Just put an estimate. If suppose in your classroom you have 50 children, generally 50 children. Imagine you're in your classroom, in your school you're in classroom, and a classroom hai, now make 6 lakh other classrooms, वैसे 6 lakh classrooms, those many people have gone from middle class to below poverty line. As a middle class person, who will pay the rising oil prices, who will pay the maximum, the inflation burn will be on him, who will pay taxes on every nook and corner. और आपको एक और सच बता देता हूं मैं, एक और सच आपको बताऊं. In the COVID situation, in the COVID crisis, do you think it's going to affect the rich? No. Because most of the rich people, जितना at least मैं news में पढ़ा हूं, rumors पढ़ा हूं, they have already hoarded oxygen cylinders with them. They have already hoarded the medicines with them. उनको problem नहीं आने वाली है. They will get the hospital. They have already made all the arrangements for them. अब बात करते हैं the lower income group. Yes, they are being massively affected. But do you think जो government aid आएगा सबसे पहले किसको help करेगा? आपको या उनको? Lower income group, obviously because they are financially even more crunched. तो ऑब्वियसली उनको पहले हेल्प करेगी गवर्नमेंट. और बीच में हर चीज में who will be the person who will be crippled every single time, who will be crushed every single time? That is the middle class population. The people who would be affected most by black marketing of oxygen cylinders, by black marketing of essential medical goods for the COVID patients, will be the middle class people. और ये हो रहा है. The rich will not be affected by the lower income group, will still not be affected because government aid will come to them first. सबसे पहले क्या होगा? The middle income group. I'm not here to hate on rich. I'm not here to hate on the lower income group people. All of them have their own situation. I'm talking about you. ये याद रख लो, इस देश में रहना है तो you need to understand, एक middle class आदमी ही है who will have to see his family relatives die in an ambulance, who will have to cremate their relatives on the footpath, who will have to buy that oxygen cylinder for 2 lakh rupees, who will have to buy that injection of COVID for 1 lakh rupees. It's the middle class person. And I can challenge, तुम में से कोई ऐसा हो ही नहीं जो disagree करेगा इस बात पे, because ये fact, ये reality आपको बता रहा हूं मैं. Now बताओ, जब से मैंने रियलाइज किया ना, इसलिए आई हैव बीन सो शेकन अप. मैं तो ज़्यादा यूट्यूब वीडियोस में भी मस्ट हैव सीन में ज़्यादा एक्टिव नहीं रहूँगा अब हल्का क्या आ रहा है दैट आई हैव रियलाइज दैट when I talk to people about stock markets, I always ask them, why do you want to take stock market seriously? लोग मुझे बोलते हैं, हर्ष, I want to take stock market seriously because of financial freedom. I love money. I want money. Rich, freedom. अब मैं सोचता हूँ क्या मजाक है, ये मजाक ही है. If you're someone who's watching my video because stock market and thinking you're in stock markets for financial freedom or you're rich, you're joking. बताऊं क्यों? Because those reality अब ये है that investing and trading in stock markets was an option for your parents, was an option for your grandparents. Your grandparents, our parents could have said that we want to be in stock markets for financial freedom, we want to be in stock markets for money. But दोस्त, हमारे लिए investing in stock markets is a goddamn necessity. यहां सर्वाइव नहीं करोगे. If you are in the middle class bracket, if you do not have stock markets as your passive source of income, as a side business, I'm not telling you to take it as a career, but if you do not invest on the side, if you do not generate passive source of income from stock market with the lowering bank interest rates and the other economic situation, आप सबको पता है क्या हो रहा है, और इस देश में सर्वाइव करना पॉसिबल नहीं है. Be it forget this country, be anywhere. If you're middle class, you will be the person who will be paying the most. Who will be liable to pay tax on every single corner, who will be most affected by the oil prices, who will have to face the maximum brunt of inflation. This is just to start. एक मिडिल क्लास आदमी ही है जो ब्लैक मार्केट में ऑक्सीजन खरीद रहा है अभी. So my realization is that stock markets, you're not here for financial freedom, you're not here for money, you're here because it is your goddamn necessity. It is our necessity. I want you to share this video with people. I want you to share this video with people who think investing in stock market is a hobby, investing in stock markets पैसे, वो objectives change हो चुके हैं completely. Investing and trading in stock markets is necessity for you. And if you want to learn about stock markets, watch Understand of Basic of Stock Market, जो मेरा basic है, उसको दोबारा देखो, so that you understand the basics और शुरू करो. तुम्हारे पास option नहीं है. You cannot tell me that you are someone who's looking for stock markets for money. It is your necessity. मुझे नीचे comment करके बताओ what you think. And I want you to share this video with as many people as possible. Share this video on Instagram. Tag us. Share this video on Facebook. Share this video on LinkedIn. And share this video with your family and discuss it with them. नीचे comment करके बताओ what you think. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.